Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that 1 pound of grapes costs $2. And at this rate, we're asked how many dollars will C pounds of grapes cost. So the first thing to do is you have to recognize that this is a rate. So we have $2 is equal to 1 pound of grapes. So we can use this rate to convert pounds into dollars. What would be an example of that? Well, when we're trying to find C pounds, if we multiply this fraction by C pounds, what happens? Well, you have pounds in the numerator and the denominator, so those cancel. Then you have 2 divided by 1 is 2 C dollars. So we're asked how many dollars will C pounds of grapes cost? Well, we just found that out. We turned our rate into dollars, and we found our answer is 2C, which means A is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.